So, hello friends. Today we'll discuss about Linux administration and management. So, Linux is a multi-user operating system, and if I'm saying multi-user, I mean to say that a lot of user can log in into a same time into the Linux machine. So it could be, multi-user, and if we are talking about the roles and responsibilities of Linux administrator, so that can be, who can grant access for user accounts and their rights, manage system security and user groups for user management, installing and upgrading Linux system and software, creating Linux file system, patching and upgradation of any of component, and resolving the problem. So resolving the problem in the sense, in case of any issues happening in Linux machines. So it's a duty of Linux administrator to resolve this problem. And furthermore, monitoring system performance and ensure the compliance and security standard. So what is happening in the Linux machines? It has to be monitored through the lot of tools or something scripting through the scripting, and in that way Linux administrator can see that what is the system performance, and they will ensure that compliance and its security has to be maintained. So today we will discuss about some basic commands, that is creating user, and how to verify the user who we already created. So let's see how we will create a user. This is the responsibility of a Linux administrator. So we'll go to the uh, Linux 30 machines. Okay, sudo add user. I will change this name to something like mm, uh, I will change to the PWR1, and this is the PWR1 is the user. We will try to create it, and we will verify through the finger command. Uh, so let's see the command, and we'll go to the command prompt. First, we need to clear it, and as soon as we will clear, we will give sudo add user, and username is pwr1. Okay, so if you give the pwr1, it will ask for the new password. So new password is something uh, where user has to log in, so and retype the password. So make sure that this password should be valid for this user, not for the I mean the login accounts. So whatever the user account we are going to create it, this new password should be related to that. So we'll give a full name. Full name should be uh, the PWR, and you can give your room number, work phone, something is related to. As just example, I'm putting here. So you can put whatever the exact phone number and home phone number is will be there. So other should be not. So finally, it will ask you, is this information correct? So you have to keep yes, and once you can see that the user was created already. So how to verify this user? So for that, you have to go to the finger command, finger and pwr1. So if you go, you can see that how that the user is available. User has been already created in this Linux machines. Okay, so sometimes what will happen, the finger up command will not work for someone. So you need to install finger uh, software, the command software into the Linux machine. So you can use sudo apt uh, get installed finger. So in that way, you can try to, because it's already installed in my machines. So that's why it's saying that I mean uh, you can use to remove it because it's already available here. So sudo apt-get installed fingered is the command where you can install this software to use this command. So let's, you can see that it's still working. And that's all for today. We'll have another session on uh, to how to create a group and how to delete and disabling the group. So thanks everyone.